Yeah, yeah, I think this is working. Yeah, I think, okay, I wouldn't know because if there's absolutely no one watching this stream, then I have no way of knowing whether it's actually working. Um, do I get even like a link there? Okay, copy that. I also want to message you with that because you're going to watch it whether you like it or not. And I'm not going to actually get to work until there's someone watching. Is there a way to pause this? Oh, wait, no, someone's here. Alright, hello there, Queez, or however it's pronounced, I wouldn't know. Already my stream is sort of not the best connection right now, but it's decent. Alright, so now I have a viewer, except that YouTube doesn't think I do, but I clearly do, because there's someone talking in chat. Hello. Hello again. Okay, now I have two people, and YouTube still doesn't know. So, now that I actually have people that are seeing this, um, I assume, I think both of you, or everyone here, knows what the game was. Um, haven't really added much. Like, after the stream, all I did is I added a little background that's way too bright, and then I made the camera, once you start the game, now the camera will follow the island. It's not great, but it works. I also fixed a bug where you could place things after the game started. So, and then I also made balloons weaker because previously 2 balloons could lift to the island, but now it takes a lot more. It now takes 10 to lift the island at all. So you can see that the island is moving, and they are all leaving the island, and now the island's falling. And I need to have like a marker here for the origin point. Um, but yeah, there's not. Um, uh, wait. Is the nope to knowing what the game is? Do you not know what the game is? Um, so the theme for the jam was floating islands. So I'm making a game where you have to place things like propellers and balloons to make an island float. Literally floating islands. I think it's a cool idea, and I'm getting texted again. I think it's a pretty interesting idea. So that's obviously why I'm actually doing it. I'm pretty happy with it. It's worked out well. The graphics are decent. They took me way too long to make, but it's decent, and I still have like an hour to work on it. So what I need to do, I want to make the balloons pop after a certain amount of time. So I'm gonna add var helium equals 10. After 10 seconds, the balloons will pop. My keyboard is so dirty. It's painful to type on this thing. Okay, and I want to say helium minus equals delta. That will go down by 1 per second. If, wait, nope, nope, this all needs to be in the else because we only want this to run after it started. Else helium minus equals delta. If helium is less than or equal to 0, then Q free. Boom, delete it. Alright, so now I think helium actually should already be working. Because it's going to be a really, really, really simple system for most of this stuff. I can test, though. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Nope, they're all going away. I guess I'm not gonna see those again. Yeah, wait, what the heck? Okay. I'm gonna try that again. This time maybe it will work better. I'm gonna add propellers here and here. And then I'll just put one balloon right there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Any second. Oh, it supposedly popped. Oh my god, this isn't the world. This is the wrong script. I am so stupid. I am so stupid. Yeah, function, process, delta, do that. If get tree dot get current scene dot started equals true, then do that, and now I need var helium equals 10. Var helium equals 10. Now I can go into world.gd, remove helium. How am I so dumb? It's sort of an interesting phenomenon that I seem to get dumber when I start streaming. One balloon, two propellers, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. It popped. It popped. It works. It works. Ow. Okay, I entered atomic balloon. Yeah, it sort of did actually act a lot like an atomic balloon, except that it wasn't the balloon. It was an atomic island. I do need a rocket image now. For the rocket, I think I'm just gonna create. So the rocket is sort of gonna be like a cross between the propeller and the balloon, in that it won't be connected to the island, but it won't just reduce the island. It won't have negative gravity. It will just have a force pushing up on it. All right. All right. So I need to add a new rigid body, and I'm gonna name this rocket propelled grenade. Except it's not a rocket propelled grenade. I'm just gonna use the icon.png for now. And I need it to have a collision shape. Very basic, very basic idea. Collision shapes are useful for when you need a collision shape. Convex polygon shape. Okay, I'll try that. I've never used that before, but I guess can I not move it directly? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna do a rectangle shape. Or no, I'll do a capsule shape to make it more interesting. And either way, I'm going to actually the rocket graphic will be more capsule shaped than rectangle shaped probably. So yeah, okay. It should have exactly 0 gravity scale. But what it should have is var fuel equals 3 and function physics process delta. Okay, yum yum yum, some free code, yay, thank you. I think I'll paste that there. Then fuel minus equals delta. If fuel is less than or equal to 0, delete it via the Q free section function. Okay, and I also need to say on ready. Wait, no. Hold on, I'll be back in a second. There's a bunch of background noise suddenly because someone's decided to start playing the piano. I'll be back in a minute. don't hear it. Yeah, you probably wouldn't have yet because it was very quiet, but have I recognize the song and it gets louder. But don't worry, I've neutralized the player. Um, so var added equals false. If added equals false, then add central force vector to 0, 50 added equals true. So the reason I'm doing this is that I needed to only add the force once or it will go way too fast, but I can't do it in the ready function because then it will happen not it won't happen when I click the start button. So with this it will actually work well. I hope. There's a decent chance it won't at all work. There's a decent chance it will work perfectly. You can never tell. PR rocket. Public relations rocket. I think companies should start having public relations rockets that fly around, putting a stop to complaints about their product. Right, I now need I now need the ability um, uh, to select a rocket. All of the UI, by the way, will be swapped out, when I'm actually finishing up the game. But obviously I'm not finishing up the game yet, as you could probably tell by the hideous UI. Though, knowing me very well, I will probably never end up fixing the UI because I'll get too sucked into playing the game, even though I don't generally enjoy playing my games that much. Alright, we shall see whether it will work. Rocket, I'm gonna place you a bunch of times and see if you work. Okay, that's not enough fuel. You do not have a big enough force. That is a problem. The rockets need to have triple that force. Triple it. Rocket right here. Why is the rocket? Oh, I know the problem. It wasn't negative. Okay, now that it's gonna be way too powerful force, but I needed it to go up. So actually, the rockets were accelerating downwards. Okay, I want that to be even more powerful. 250. 250 is a good number for rocket force, I hope. We'll see. Start. I still don't think that's enough. I'm gonna double it because I want it to be really a massive boost, but then it turns off because they'll be expensive. So if you rely entirely on them, then you'll have then 12 seconds of just falling, and that won't make up for it. So you sort of. Okay, that's cool. That is really, 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 really cool, I have to admit. Uh, yeah, that did go pretty dang high. Contrary to what you might assume. I need to turn down my brightness again because it's really, my computer is like dying slowly. Not actually even that slowly. So, okay, yeah, I need to turn it up a bit, but, now I think I need to, make a little sprite for the rockets. Just take white, I don't know what this is, but it's something. This does not look like a rocket at all yet. It will. Believe me. Like you have like a gray base here. And then I'll just fill it in. A white top. Like that. Okay, it looks hideous, but I can fix the hideousness. No, I can't. That looks even more hideous. Um, I'll add like a little window there, I guess. That everybody loves windows and rockets that nobody's in, I hope, because this rocket is being used to intentionally ram a island. So if there's someone in that, then it's sort of a dangerous trip. That doesn't look as good as the previous version did. Nope, that also doesn't look good. I'm just gonna try adding a dot there. Nope, that also doesn't look good. Maybe I should try having red highlights. That doesn't look good. You know what? I can't draw rockets. Alright, I'll make a slightly lighter color and make a rectangle in the middle. We'll call it a rocket. Maybe that would help. Nope, that does not look good. Actually, that's sort of better. No. Yeah, we'll keep that. Export as rocket.png. Save that. Create. Put a pattern on it. Interesting. Oh god. Yeah, maybe I should have changed it a bit away from that general shape. Maybe put a pattern on it. That could be interesting, but I I don't think it would really work too well because it's a really low resolution sprite. So I don't think having a pattern on it would work. Uh, just because I wouldn't have enough space to actually make anything interesting. I'm gonna load a new sprite, and I'm gonna make some particles for it. Because everybody loves particles. If you don't love particles, you're not a human, or you're an intelligent human. Anyway, I'm gonna create just a little particle thing. CPU particles 2D. Particles 1, and duplicate that. The reason is that I want yellow and orange ones. And they can't be the same. Alright. Explosiveness 0.2. Drawing. Local chords, no. See, color. Color should be orangish color, like that, maybe. And scale needs to be, we'll try 3. That'll work, alright. Now what I need is spread and 0. Yeah, why will it? Okay. Gravity, 0. Wait, no, gravity. Reset gravity. 5, like that. Oh wait, no, that's not what we want. We want no direction fast. Initial velocity, we'll try 10. Spread. Okay, 100. Okay, yeah, direction X1. Nope. Y1. That works. No gravity, or we'll do 5 gravity, and way less initial velocity. Spread needs to be 45. Lifetime slightly higher, we'll make it 1.5. And we'll double the amount. Make the explosiveness be 0.1. Slightly lower the spread. We'll try 35. Actually, now I'm gonna delete this and then just duplicate particles 1 and just change the color to be a yellow color. Slightly more of an orange yellow. Okay, that looks decent, I guess. Not perfect. Not perfect at all, but I mean, I think it's fine. Next is to make neither of them be emitting to start, and they'll only be emitting once it starts. Dollars particles 1 dot emitting equals true. Duplicate that and make it be particles 2. Now to see how beautiful the world looks now. It will look hideous, but it will look better, just still look hideous. Oh god, the particles are too small to even see. Yeah, maybe I need to upscale the rocket. Make the entire rocket be 1.5 by 1.5 scaled. And also make the particles have, instead of instead of triple scale, we'll try 5 times scale. It's not going to look good close up, but maybe in the world it will. In game development, it's all about experimentation, and that's what I'm doing right now, experimenting. Right, interesting. Big rockets that for some reason shrank. That looks better. I think I also need to double the amount of particles in each one. Hopefully performance won't suffer much. Probably will suffer an absolute ton, because if I add a lot of these, you're processing physics for all of them and shooting out 64 particles for all of them. And I'm trying to make it a web build, so there, that looks good. Okay, that's really cool. I like that. My computer is once again slowly dying. So yeah, there's a chance I'll have to end the stream at some point. I'm not going to yet, but I mean, I can probably find a way to fit a charger up here. It's just that it's blocked off for now. So I want to make a marker of where it started. I want to move the island down a bit, and then I want to make like a little color rect called start, and it should be alright. It's gonna be enormous, not nearly as big as the background, but enormous. No. However, it does not seem to be tall enough, meaning that it has literally 0 Y size. I'll make it be a sort of whitish reddish color and put it there as sort of a starting line. I don't know if it will look good. It doesn't look good. Yeah, I'll put it at the bottom. Maybe that'll look good, like right there. Or, no, like there, right there. Doesn't really look good, but whatever. We'll see. Wonder what will happen. Okay, the balloons are being left in the dust. Maybe they'll catch up when it starts falling, which it seems to. Oh wait, is it falling or is it still going up due to the propellers? So that's actually really interesting. Rockets basically destroy balloons because now the island isn't going to come back down. Yeah, that's not good at all, but it's not terrible. Okay, I'm gonna go in for another round of promoting it. Wait, never mind, I'm not. There's absolutely no point, whatever. Now, one thing I do probably have to get done at some point is scoring. So what I want to do is have a timer. And, okay, timer for 15 seconds. One shot on timeout. So basically, we'll have var score equals 0. Score equals 0. On timeout, score equals $, island dot position dot negative island dot position dot y. And then also I need to, problem is by default island's position dot y is 195, which means you have to subtract 195 from your score. So on start and press $timer.start. Now what I need to do is have a score pop up and like a retry thing. So in the island, I'll add, I need to import a font real quick. So, maybe I should turn that off for a second while I do that. I don't want to be looking through all my private files with that. I hope you can't, I hope that worked. Doesn't really matter much, but I still hope that that does work because it does matter in the future. Then it would suck for me to not know. Alright. I'm still looking for this there. There it is. Now go through it to the right folder. And here we have it in oh, alright, thank you for informing me. Good to know. I'm gonna make that visible again now. Yay. It should be visible now. And I wanna add, okay, hold on. I wanna go into world and select all of that, reparent to new node, control, name this node UI. Now the UI needs a theme. And the theme should be a new theme that contains a default font that's a new dynamic font that contains the font data that I'm loading from this file. Very confusing, right? And yeah, you can see now I have a pixel font imported. I'm gonna do the same here. Just create a new control node called UI. And that needs a theme. Theme should be a new theme that contains a default font that's a new dynamic font that has data loaded from this file. That's my new catchphrase. It's a really long catchphrase. Rich text label. Move it into UI. Score. Okay, and it will just say score. And we'll start with 0, right? Make it have a lot of space. Scale it to 3 times scale. Okay, and okay, put it right there. Can I disable rotation on this? Uh, okay, whatever. I guess what I can do is just make it like set its rotation degrees to be the island's rotation degrees. I guess like negative that like I subtract the island's rotation degrees from 360 and then set that to its, which would probably work. Okay, I'll try that anyway. Now I also want a button to try again. Control A. Button. Oh god, my mouse is. Restart, I guess. Put that there. Restart. And what I want to do is allow clicks on that. Does the thing on no. Okay, extends rigid body to D. Restart. Pressed. Connect. And I just want to do get tree dot change scene world dot tscn. Alright. Next is to make the score by default not be visible. And what I do is when it ends, say $island dot get node UI slash score dot text equals score plus str score dot visible equals true, and UI dot rotation degrees equals $island dot rotation degrees. Wait, no, equals 360 minus. I hope that works. I have no reason to think it will, other than the fact that I made it that way so that it would work. Oh, that needs to. Yeah. Should actually just be UI dot visible equals true. By default, the island's UI should be invisible. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe it'll work. Put a rocket there, that's all I'm gonna have. Start. Okay, I keep on accidentally clicking buttons and making that. Oh yeah, shoot, my computer is actually dying. I need to get a charger soon. Okay, I'm gonna have negative score. Let's type float. Rotation degrees. Does this have a rotation degrees thing? Oh, whoa, I did not realize that it did not have a rotation. Rect, rotation. Alright, let's change that to be dot rect rotation. And maybe that will work. UI.rect rotation. Place a rocket there. Yeah, so I need to then reset my gravity when that appears. And move that, I guess. Doesn't look good at all. Because if I try rotating this thing, Where's the rotation tool? And then I make it visible. But then I get this thing's rotation degrees, which is -76. So you subtract -70. That brings us 360 plus 76, which is 435. So I set its rect rotation to 435, and it ends up down there. If I put it under camera, nope, I said under camera. Doesn't really help, does it? Okay, where is the camera sword? Hold on, I want to undo everything I just did. Make it visible. And then I want to take the island and... Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. All of this stuff needs to be recentered to right there. Okay, that'll fix it. I will need to remove remove the island. And that is for whatever reason visible. Yeah, I'll make that invisible again in a minute, but it seems to be working correctly so far. Yeah, whatever, that's good enough for now. I wonder what happens if I add an absolute ton of rockets. Okay, they're rotated for whatever reason. Oh god, that is going very high. Okay, make the UI not be visible in island. Yeah, that's good enough for now. Well, if I move it under camera, actually, then it might get fixed, so I'm going to test that. Need a drink. A lot of balloons. One rocket all the way down here. One propeller right there. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a bug that's going to occur until I say cam/UI. Cam/UI. Cam is just short for camera, in case you couldn't tell. I think you should make UI for current height. So the score is the current height, it's just that it doesn't show yet. So what I'll probably do is not have, no, yeah, you're right, actually, you gave me a genius idea, which is not to share the score in this. The score, well, oh wait, no, the reason I'm doing that is that the camera follows this. So you know what, I'm just gonna delete that. All of this is unnecessary code at this point. I have a new idea. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say $island.get node cam that current equals false. I'm getting texted by, I assume, another future. Yeah, that is. I'm watching it so far. Holy cow. Yay, another person watching. That's good. So that's what I was saying. My new idea is just to change the camera away from being the current one in this, And then what I do is I add a restart button here, as well as something here that shows you your score, but it only becomes visible. So hold on, wait, oh, wrong thing. Rich text label. Hello there, and it will just be score. And I'll put it there. Score 1000, and I need to resize it. Triplet scale. Triplet scale. Triplet scale. Make it massive, okay? Make it invisible, okay? Now what I need to do is say $UI slash score dot text equals score plus str score. The str function just converts a number, an integer, or a float, or a double, or whatever, to a string, which is very useful. Now I just need to do $UI slash score dot visible equals true. Finally, I need to add another thing to the UI. It's just going to be a button. Restart. The button will say restart. I'm just gonna move it down here, or actually, I'll do reset, because that way it won't look like it won't get confused with the start button. I don't think. Either way, it probably wouldn't, but it doesn't hurt to test. And now what I'm gonna do is the trick for resetting a scene, at least in Godot, is just to change the scene to that scene, and it reloads the scene. I can reset it. I can place rockets. Resetting it does reset it. Rocket. Start. And then, oh god, yeah, after this I'm gonna need to go get a charger. And when will it end? Oh! Okay, so I need a camera here. Camera 2D called cam. I'll just need to move it to the middle, or like that. And by default, it shouldn't be current, okay? $cam.current equals true. And I'm gonna text it again. Oh, wait, bye fridge soup. It's a shame you've got to go. Also, yeah, you realize you can use the stream chat. It's on YouTube. You don't even need a Twitch account for that, obviously, because it's not on Twitch like the other ones were on Twitch. But I know full well you have a YouTube account. I don't remember if I actually finished this. Okay. And no. Alright, it works. Yeah, it completely works. It just doesn't look okay. I'm just gonna pause the stream, turn off the display capture for a bit, and mute my microphone. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go get a charger because my computer is dying slowly. So yeah, I'll be back. I am back. Uh, back. I just need to actually move my stuff so I can plug in this charger. This is an outlet. However, this cord is using it. What does this plug in? I'm really confused right now. There's something being plugged into my wall, but I can't see it because something's in the way. And I don't know what it's plugging in. I could find out probably. Yep, I am. I okay, I'm on an adventure through a bunch of furniture. I'll be back in a second. Okay. Yeah, I'm unplugging my desk light now so that I can plug in my computer. Uh, and then I'll get back to work. I don't know whether this is charging yet, but it's a race against time to get this thing plugged in. It's beautiful. It's plugged in. Okay. Yeah, computer is plugged in again. And so I'm not in as much danger of my computer dying. It's not a very fast charger, but I'm using my second. I have like two chargers that are identical, except one of them is slower. But one of them is actually stuck in an outlet where I normally use my computer, which is not here. So I have to use the slower one right now. Okay. The game is almost done. There's a whole lot of problems. There's absolutely no menu. The UI is hideous, and I haven't added all the options I wanted to add, so it's not done at all. I lied to you. UI is not, I mean, nothing is done at all, but, okay, I want to add a little, I want to add I want to add an object that would, like, that would, like, give, like, a boost to the number of, like, okay, I'm not thinking straight. I need to stop looking at this. A boost at the beginning, but then will immediately disappear. But I'm not sure how I would go about doing that. Whatever, I'm going to add. I don't know what to add at this point. Oh, wait a minute. What was that? I had two other things I wanted to add. I wanted to add the boost thing at the beginning, but I don't know what that would actually be. And I wanted to add the oxygen bubbles, but there's no game loop right now, really, because there's no money. So I'm going to have var cash equals, start with 500, alright? And what I'll do is, if you click, then, okay, mastery.gd, current scene dot cash. Balloons will be cheap. They'll cost 25. Cash. Then I'll propellers will cost more. They'll cost 75. Oops, I put that in the wrong place. So I want to undo that. And cash is greater than or equal to 75. Then dot cash minus equals 75. As for rockets, they'll be the most expensive. They'll cost 125. balloons are probably actually a bit inexpensive, so I'm gonna make them cost 50. And I'm gonna reduce it by 125. And okay, now I'm gonna DM him so that I can gain more viewers. Then DM him to get more viewers. That's what's called an offhand tactic. Okay, I'm gonna get a drink. There's a response I was waiting for. Oh wait, this is not fully closed. I need to make sure I don't spill water on my computer. And I have a response. Alright, so you are watching the stream. So you can see that was an offhand tactic. Now I want to go into the world and add a bit of text here. I'm just going to duplicate the score and do cache. Make it always visible. Make it be 1 times scale. And make it say cache 500. And then finally make it be over here. Also I want to duplicate that and say starting point. So, yeah. Then cache needs to always be getting updated. Dollars UI slash cache dot text equals cache plus cr cache. Alright, and let's see how the game looks. I have limited cache now. I can buy stuff. Run there. Gonna buy a. Oops, I accidentally bought. Yeah, I need to find a solution to it being on the propeller. I guess I should make like a UI section where you can't accidentally get things. Okay, and balloon. I'm gonna get a balloon right there, I guess. Start. Okay, the balloon was entirely useless. I am worried for my score. I don't think I'll get a great score. I don't think that propeller alone has the ability to hold it in the air. Yep, I'm going down, I'm going down, I'm going down. Oh god, this might be a bit too hard of a game. Oh, well, okay, that's a decent score. Everybody wants score 4036. Alright. So you also saw my offhand tactic. Now what I need to do is find some solution to the placement of things. Maybe you need to right-click to place things. Yeah, from now on, I'll just make it right-click to place things. I don't have time to make a better solution. I actually... Oh god. Subtracting the 30 minutes for my break, I have... Hold on. I need to check the stream. Almost an hour. Yeah, I have almost an hour at this point only. Yeah, that's basically it. And so, and that doesn't include, the time for this jam does not include frick. I just pulled it when a snack and spilled it everywhere. It does not include submission time. So, that's something to keep in mind. I'm gonna have a snack. I'm just gonna mute for a second. Just put map. Edit. Right button. Alright. Change. There. See now? No more accidental placement. So I can get a rocket there. a rocket there. Now the balloons will probably pop before they hit it. Yeah. You know, balloons popping is sort of annoying because that means they're useless if you also have rockets. Okay, 4,101. So I'm going to see if I can beat that just using an absolute ton of balloons. Oh god, no. Oh god, yeah, balloons are not cheap enough or powerful enough. Like, look, my score was negative 1,400 and... Okay, yeah. Um, balloons, I'm gonna make them double as powerful, and I'll make them cheaper. I'll make them cost only 30 cash. And then I'll respond to a new text message at the Discord server. Interesting idea, but it would take too long. Why are you not using the stream chat on YouTube? Like, why? Why wouldn't you? Alright, I'm gonna try and see if balloons are effective at this point. It should be significantly better. I'm just gonna completely spin over. No, they're all gonna come out from under it. No! Oh, and now they've all popped. Yeah, and if I try only... I think rockets might actually just be a bit overpowered. If I try only propellers... Propellers, it doesn't matter where you put them. Oh god, propellers are also really, really powerful. Okay, yeah, propellers are really, 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 really overpowered. Let's divide that by 10. Now they're significantly less powerful. Also, rockets, that 500 is becoming a 330. Okay, now a rocket down there as low as possible. 5 balloons. 2 no, 3 propellers. Okay, and let's start. Ouch. Okay, that was painful to watch. Balloons still are not powerful enough. I'm gonna change their gravity scale to mean -2. They are doubled their power. Now they should be good. No, they're sliding away. No! That wasn't terrible. In fact, that was pretty good. So if I put the rocket right here, balloons there, there, and there, propellers there, there, and there. Alright, now to fix propellers which are technically currently broken. Alright, so theoretically propellers should work now as intended. The idea is if I put one there, okay, I reset. So now you have to make sure that you center them well. Shoot. Well, I suck. Negative score. Yeah, I wasted a lot of money there. Like a lot of it. You know what you can do to help support the game? Tell everyone you know, everywhere, no matter what time it is for them to watch the stream right now. Um, I think it's time to work on UI. These buttons sort of look hideous. By sort of, I mean entirely. So, for these, I'm going to reorganize them so that they're just an icon. I don't know what I'm going to do for those. um, uh, double the scale. Change the click area. Right, and now we can select rockets. Next is balloon. Icon should be loaded from the balloon.png image. Flat. No text. Double the scale. Change the click size. There's almost no overlap there. There's technically a tiny bit of overlap though, so I do want to move that a bit like that. As for propeller, icon, load propeller.png, no text, flattened. That, I said no text. Change the click area to fit the button, move that there. Now what I can do is I can move balloon to be there and rocket to be there. And both of them need to be moved down a bit. Except that rocket needs to be moved down a bit more. And I am being repeatedly texted. Text the icons, it looks better. Stands out more. No. You realize you can talk on YouTube without having an actual channel. It's really, really better. It actually promotes the stream, I believe, if you're talking in chat. So by talking in chat, you're actually going to get the stream more views if you care. Right, so I can select any of them. I don't have the cache for either of these right now. Okay, let's see how this goes. Oh, whoa, okay, balloons are overpowered already. I hate balancing things. Okay, actually, that was a decent score. So, I do want to make you get bonus score for turning, though. So, I'm gonna say your unsigned, um, plus, okay, parentheses around all that, then plus unsign, is that a function? Shoot. Unsign GD script. Okay, you cannot make unsigned values, so I can get around that. So I'll say plus dollars island dot rotation degrees. The problem is if I take the island, you can see here if I look at its rotation degrees, when I do it that way, they become negative. So what I want to do is say unsign and get rid of that negative. Now I want to do func unassign x. Okay. If x is less than 0, x equals negative x, return x, which will be very, very, very useful, and I think that should actually work as an unsigning thing. Very simple code. Very basic. But now, if I can get it to do 360-degree turns, which I should be able to do by spamming a bunch of propellers on one side of the game. So actually, the maximum I believe would be 108. Oh god, I'm going down even with that many propellers. Balancing changes. By the way, Flying Zucchini, I assume you're hearing this. You keep on telling me to add things. I want you to realize that it's a 3-hour game jam. I actually only have about 40 more minutes. Oh god, that's really, 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 really funny. Okay, I want to multiply this. I want to multiply that. Reason is the maximum amount you can earn from that is 180 points. And that 180 points is not really enough to make any difference. So if I multiply it by 5, then you can earn a lot more based on that. In fact, I'll multiply it by 6. Sorry, I was may or may not have been eating. Um, I think the game is working. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. So, in a minute, there's going to be a slight interruption, not for long. Once again, a slight interruption. Um, it's not going to be the longest interruption there's ever been, but it will be an interruption because, yeah, just someone entering the room kind of interruption. Okay, I'm gonna just, whoa. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Brief interruption has been ended. Yeah, sorry about that. So, the game it's pretty good. We have options. It's a playable game at this point. No menu or anything right now. Um, UI isn't great. There are default buttons. I'll improve that a bit. Um, by going into the world, moving them to be lined. Oops, undo that, please. Start button should be aligned perfectly text-wise. Flat, alright, brilliant. Same for restart, flat. Now I want to make them both be 1.5 by 1.5 scale. Hello there, scale. 1.5. Oops, that was not what I intended to do. 1.5 plus 1.5 scale. And we have that working. I don't know if it will actually work well, like if it will look good. Yeah, they're a bit hard to see. I'm gonna make them a bit. Can I change the color of those? No, whatever. I think it's fine mostly. Now, I want to add the oxygen bubbles. They'll work. So the way the oxygen bubbles, the idea for the oxygen bubbles is that, yeah, I might know. You can barely see that button down there. So I am gonna modulation should be sort of like that, I guess. Copy that. Same for the restart button. Visibility modulate like that. Maybe that will help. It won't fit with the other text though, which I don't like. Nope, that's not what I meant to do. Ugh. No, wait. Here, let's just set a base modulation 80, 80, 80. Alright. 80, 80, 80 should be the modulation for all of the text. That's true for the starting point. Visibility modulate 80, 80, 80. That's true for the cache. visibility modulate 80, 80, 80. And that is very much true for the score. We really need that to be visible, though it's actually harder to miss because it's larger. So maybe that will fix the problem. Yeah, it does actually pop more now. If I add a few rockets, and then I spend the rest of my money on balloons. I start that. This will be interesting. Okay, that's gonna flip over, then the balloons will catch on. Alright, interesting, interesting, interesting. No, 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 no. Oh, okay, it will start falling, and it will get me a decent score. So, I really like the game overall right now. Also, I do really like that you can navigate the UI using the arrow keys entirely. Which is interesting. The arrow keys and then space or enter to select. That's sort of a built-in hidden Godot feature that almost no one knows about, but the people that do can use it. I used to not know about it, and then I discovered it accidentally. Um, yeah, it's so the game is almost done. I do really, really want to add the oxygen bubbles though, so I'm gonna create a little image for that. I have an idea. Okay, I want sort of yellow, like emergency vest, life vest yellow. Um, rectangle. Then erase the corners. Erase more corners, I guess. Yep, that looks better. And then same thing on the inside. Okay, that is not a good yellow. I want it to be oranger. Okay. Now a lighter version for in there. I like that, but I'm not sure about it. Doesn't really look like a bubble. I'll add a bit of white to it as sort of shine. Oops, that is not white. That's better. That's so much better. That like improved it like by like 1,000,000%. That is. Oops. No, I do not want a sprite sheet with a JSON file. Okay. Let's just save it as bubble.png. Save that. Okay. And now I'm just gonna create actually for this I'm gonna duplicate the propeller.tscn thing as okay, there is dog barking, dog barking, dog barking. Bubble load from file bubble good bubble centered bubble disconnect reconnect new script. Now I just want to steal the tiny bit of code right there that did not save me any time, especially because it needs to be changed. Dot gravity minus equals 0.2 gravity scale. Now they will be pretty cheap. They'll cost 50. In fact, yeah, we'll start with 50. Obviously, tons and tons and tons of changes. Then there will be like a lot of changes to balance everything, but To start, I'll make it. Oops, nope, that's not what I intended to do. Okay, yum, copy the code, and paste the code. Bubble is greater than or equal to 50. In fact, we'll make it 30. 30. Bubble. Bubble. Oh, and don't forget that it needs to be bubble. Obviously, don't forget bubble. That should be it for bubble. Alright, next I need the ability to select bubble, so I'm just gonna take rocket, duplicate as bubble. I'm tired of saying the word bubble. It gets boring after a while. Just like most video games, it gets boring after a while. And what I aim to not do with this game is make a game that gets boring after a while. I am 100,000% sure it will succeed. Probably won't, actually, but my guarantee is as worthless as, I don't know, a defective fridge. Actually, a defective fridge still probably... Oh my god, that's enormous. Probably is not useless. See, the idea is that they'll reduce its gravity by a bit. This will probably be... Oh yeah, that's way, way, way too powerful. So, first of all, bubbles need to be downscaled. Hello there, bubble, my friend. Yeah, you need to be 0.3 by 0.3 scaled. Next is your cost. You are way, way, way too cheap. You cost almost as much. Here, I double your cost. Okay, theoretically now, it should actually work well now, like the entire game. I wouldn't count on it, but, okay, let's try adding a bunch of bubbles. Okay. I reset it, and then if I manage to add just 5, then you'll see that it won't fall. It won't move, because that negates its gravity, which is cool. I should get exactly 0 points. Wait, what? Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, let's see, the island start position. Well, let's see, the island start position is 224. Okay, 224. And its rotation degrees should have been 0, right? 0 times 6, negative 224 minus 224 is negative 0. Alright, I'm gonna try that again. And while I'm waiting for the results for that, I just noticed, like right now, that almost everybody on the Discord server is online. So I'm going to, promote the stream a bit. promote, 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 promote. And yay, sent everyone a link to that. Now everybody has a link to that. Okay, I think I'm gonna go back to the game. And so why do I have negative 448 points? I'm just gonna hashtag out that, and we shall see if the problem was the rotation degrees. Trick is add this, start, and if all goes correctly, I should have absolutely no points. If all goes incorrectly, so maybe the problem is the negative. Problem is the negative. So position that y minus 224 is just that. Why does getting negative that? Oh wait, negative. Oh, I am so stupid. How did I not notice that? Okay, I also want to make round so that a score will always be an integer, because it's sort of weird getting a score with 5 decimal points. Okay, I think I fixed it. I saw what the problem was. The problem was I was taking negative position at y minus 244, not negative position at y minus 244. The 244 was not in the parentheses. Alright, perfect. Perfect. Now, one thing I do need to do, the reason that was that is that that was not that. Well, that should work now. And I'm gonna try the game, which is almost complete. Let's see. One of those right there, one of them right there. A rocket down there. Two of these. Two of those. And another one of that. Nope. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That was painful. That is very, 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 very sad. I can tell I'm going down, down, down. I think, actually, am I? If I were going down, I would be down to the... Oh, wow. That was actually decent. Okay. Now, if I just spammed these like I am right now, that's a bunch of them on top of each other, I would probably get a higher score, but I can't guarantee it. Nope, I would not, actually. Or would I? Okay, that's a good score, sadly. If I spammed rockets, let's see, one right there, alright, one right there, one right there, and one right there, then I would not get a very high score because it would have 12 seconds of falling. Okay. Yeah, that was not a good score. Rockets need to be a bit more lifetime. If I did only balloons, how much would I get? I'm just gonna put them one here, 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 one here. Oh shoot. Oh god, no, no, it's slanting too much. The balloons are gonna leave it. No, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. Wow, okay, that was a high score. And if I spam helicopters. Oh god, that's not going too well for the people on the island. They finally understand that the Earth rotates. Alright, decent score. Yeah, balloons are probably the best idea, to be honest. Okay, that is literally the 4th time I've sent a link to the stream and everyone has gone offline immediately. It's sort of depressing. I mean, yeah, it's sort of sad. I miss having more viewers. Okay, whatever, I'll be fine. So I still have about half an hour to finish the game, and I'm just playing around in it right now, which is not good of me. I really need to not be. To be honest, it's bad that I am. But yeah, I guess after this we'll see what happens. This actually I think will be a really interesting one. This will probably be the most powerful one yet, more powerful than the previous balloon one, because none are falling off. Oh shoot, never mind. Oh yes. Yeah, so that's gonna get me something around 7,000. Oh, that was so close. I wonder if I can actually beat 7,000. So rockets need more fuel. There. Rockets are overpowered now, or at least powerful. I don't know if I want to add a menu. I should probably try to make music, but I'm not good with beatbox. I'm good at making actual, like, music on a piano. I've written many songs. Okay, we shall see how high that went. Oh, wow, that was a decent score. Now I'm going to respond to my new chat message. Menu, why? If can get 5 viewers in the next 10 minutes, I'll make a menu. I checked some submissions to the game and they're worse than your game so far. Thank you for your very valued. That's priceless. Thank you for your great opinion. I'm very glad to hear that the other submissions are apparently ridiculously bad because this is not a great game, and it's apparently already better. You'll disagree once you play it, but yeah. The best thing about Godot is the fact that the rigid body 2D icon is a beach ball. So I should probably get to work on some music. So here's the thing. Genius marketing. Yeah, I take piano lessons. I have for many years. I'm actually pretty good at piano, but I do have to admit that I sort of suck at beatbox. So like I can, if I bookmarks, where's bookmarks? That was entirely unintentional. Yeah, sorry about that. One game is literally 10 seconds of gameplay. 3 hours of development for 10 seconds of gameplay. Interesting. So this is probably the best song I've ever made on beatbox, and it's not even my song. I took a song I know on the piano and converted it to beatbox. I don't know if you can hear this. I hope you can because I'm actually pretty proud of this. So yeah, that's the best song I've ever made on beatbox, and it's not. I didn't write the song. I converted it. That so it's gonna be sort of beatbox.co. No, no, stop that. Beatbox.co. Don't go to okay, beatbox there. Let's see. So what song? I want a very sort of like light, happy sound. Nope, not easy scale. Expert scale. This doesn't sound good. This is gonna sound terrible, but it doesn't hurt to try. Okay, I can see that sounding. I can see that sounding too. I see this suddenly. I see how it could be a good song, but I just realized I haven't been talking. I hope you. Can you even hear this? That's another thing I hope. I hope you can hear this, and I hope you cannot hear the absurd amount of background noise right now. Where is the grand piano? Uh, okay, there's another piano playing in the background. I need to put a stop to that as well. I will be back in a minute. Hold on. I sadly failed miserably at ending the piano, so if you hear piano in the background, just know that that's not part of the game. And okay, so hold on, I need to actually turn this off for a second. I'll be right back. I just need to. All right, I am back. I'm just gonna finish this song. I want to see how this sounds because I don't think it sounds good necessarily, but it could theoretically. Um, turn that all off. I don't think that really sounds good. I'm not sure. I wonder, can I, yeah. So, um, okay, I'm gonna have to turn this off again because I'm looking in the Future Games dev server and I don't want anything in there to leak out. Yeah, yeah, sorry. Okay, okay, you know, I'm just gonna ignore that. I don't know if that sounds good. The instrument doesn't fit. I'm gonna try. Uh, um, okay, I'm just gonna. I don't know if I want to keep this end part, but I'm gonna see if the whole song is better. Okay, 2 should be just the same as 1. Okay, so like there, like um. Okay, then I actually do want to include that. So the whole song would be. I think it sounds good. Uh, it's not my best song ever, but it's good enough. So I'm gonna export it as Trijam. So, oh my god, I need a name for my game. I just realized I need a name for my game. Uh, yeah, anybody watching this, come up with names for it, okay? Just do it, okay? As many names as possible, okay? Just names, 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 because I need them. I really, really, really need a name for this. Like, soon. Like, I have like 15 more minutes to make it. Where is Trijam? Okay, by the way, the reason the screen is blacked out, is that I am moving a file right now. And I am not gonna... Okay, yep, done with that. Close this and enable the display capture. Anybody have any name ideas? Loop reimport. Alright, that has been imported. Now what I want to do is say in the world, just add a new audio stream player. Audio stream player. And I'm going to name it music. Autoplay should be on, and I want to load the files. Now if I play the game, I hear... I'm terrible at the game, but it's, so one problem is if you reset, it will restart the music, but luckily it's a short enough loop. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna grab some sound effects from my old games. A pop for the balloons popping, I guess. No, actually. I just want, I guess, rocket sounds, propeller sounds. No, I don't have time to add sound effects. I'm really, really, really disappointed that I won't, but I won't. Island operator, uh, island operator, interesting name, but, I don't think it will really work. How about, Island Airline? Do you like Island Airline? Anyone? Because, let's see, that should be an answer. No, not really, because once again, that has nothing to do with island. Island Airline. I like, Island Airline. It's a tongue twister, but it's fine. Here, I can add one sound effect, okay? I'm gonna try to find a wind sound effect. Hold on, I'm gonna turn off display capture for a minute. It's a joke. It's not literally an airline, but sort of it's sort of an airline, in the way that like in the sense that it's like you're trying to get it to fly. I'm looking for good wind sound effects. Perfect. Download that. Shoot, I have to log in. I don't remember my login. on, can I not? Okay, I'm just gonna register a new account. I don't know if I have an account on this website. Username, email. Oh my god, I'm running out of time to work on the game. I agree to the terms and conditions. Hello, register. I'm not a robot. Alright, this is taking annoyingly long. Yeah, but those have nothing to do with Island. Whereas Island Airline is sort of a joke about the fact that it's like an airline. It's like effectively an airline. This is a good sound effect. I'm just gonna download that. It says I must credit it, so zapsplat.com, cool sound effect. Most of them are actually entirely useless because they're way too long. But yeah, it's... How is it a bass? In what way is it a bass? Oh god, okay, I'm ready to hear the bad joke, I guess. I still like Island Airline. Island Aces is too similar to it, but not as good. I don't think I really like I really like Island Airline as I think I just think it's a really cool idea. Make the volume be -5. See this. Okay, we'll do -7. Quieter. And I still think I'm ready for a bad joke. Didn't like the Z part. Yeah, to be honest, I don't think the Z is good. Okay, anyway, back to this game. I don't know if the wind really sounds right. I think the music needs to be a bit louder, I guess. Maybe that'll help. You know what, I'm gonna make that be 8. That should be -13. We'll try that. Everything needs to be turned down. I'm gonna change the 8 on this to be 0, and then this will be -18, I guess, to make up for it. Now it will be quiet. Okay, I have 5 minutes left until I need to finish the game, so I think it sounds good. I wonder what will happen. I mean, if I put on million here, I just wonder. Horn, 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 horn. Lots of horns, lots of horns, lots of horns, lots of horns. I'm getting so close to starting this. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Sorry about that. So you couldn't hear me well because of the music. I hadn't really thought of that as being a possible problem. So, this is basically gonna be the final game. I, the name is going to be Island Airlines. Um, uh, yeah, it's gonna be Island Airlines. And I guess hi.png. Hi.png doesn't exist, so theoretically now if I run the game, select world.tsdan. Okay, so that works. Now run the game. Project settings, name. Okay, so I need to do some exports now, I guess. Um, I think I think what I'm gonna do uh is temporarily disable my display capture. I'll still be talking and stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna export downloadable builds. I'm just gonna try a web one. Uh, there are going to be apparently 2 streamers in the game. I mean, in the jam, who will stream them on separate days. So, and one of them can only do Linux, the other can only do Windows, but they can both do browser. Which means that, um, theoretically they would be able to both play it like this way. I mean, not theoretically. I mean, technically there could be something goes wrong, but they should both be able to play it. If I make it be a if I make it be the correct platform for both of them, and the correct platform for both of them is unsurprisingly very unsurprisingly going to be nope, no. Why is Visual Studio opening? Is going to be the whatchamacallit, the web build. And so, okay, you know what, I'm gonna re-export to a new folder because I'm really confused right now. Export. The exports just didn't seem to work. Export project, save. Okay, can't be the most exciting stream ever right now. Me having a black screen while I look through files. Uh, Alright, so I'm going to upload the game to itch.io. Upload a new project. Oh, I need a screenshot for it. Okay, I need to zip all of these up. Zip them into a zip fold up thing. And now I'm gonna take a quick cover image by just running the game. Great, the cover image. I'm gonna turn off the game. Now I'm gonna save this as just a random file, I guess, because I do need a cover image for my page. Island airline. Okay. Make the island float. It's an HTML game. Released. Okay, I'm gonna upload from Trijam, export the zip file. Click to launch in full screen. It is mobile friendly, I believe. All you have to do is click. No, you need to be able to right click. So never mind, it's not. This file will be played in the browser. Make the island fly. No, float, because they float. Select different objects and right click to place them. Balloons and rockets can be placed anywhere, but propellers and bubbles must be attached to the island. Try to keep it as high as possible. No genre. What would I? It's not really a puzzle game. It's a simulation game. Okay. 2D single player arcade games. Okay, that's all the text I'm gonna do. I really don't care about this getting views. I'm just gonna test out the page. An index.html file. Okay, I can solve that. I just need to rename the, oh, come on, okay, I have to delete all this stupid stuff. Re-export, go into project, export, and index.html, save. Export project, save, boom, exported. Now all I need to do is take all of this, and the dog will not shut up, which is very inconvenient, but whatever. Hopefully that will end. Sorry. Sorry about that very, very loud audio. My goal is not to mess up the entire screen with dog barking. View page, loading the game. We shall see if the web build works. Alright, it's loading, which is a good sign. Alright, so the game is working, so I'm just gonna make it public. No setup on the itch.io page at all, because nobody needs a good itch.io page. Oh, whatever. I'll make a basic itch.io page, I guess. Text will be slightly lighter gray. Link will be a bluish white. Font will be very large. And yeah, that's all I guess for the itch.io page. Alright, you can play the game. Enjoy. Here's a link. Yeah, here's a link. Boom. Go play it. Give me feedback. I'm gonna submit it so that I can't update it anymore, because otherwise I will not be able to resist the urge to update it, even though it's probably not allowed. It's actually not allowed at all. I'm just gonna go back a bunch of pages. Submit your project. See, where is the correct project? I have so many games. How long was submitted? Alright, no, you won't. Not in a 3-hour jam. Yeah, so, the game has been, submitted. Oh god, Island Invasion, that's worryingly promising. Um, so, that's the game submitted. That's just gonna be the end of the stream, probably, because there's not really much else I can do. Probably won't come back to the game because, I mean, it is just a jam game. It was made entirely for this game jam. The game jam is finished. I am looking to stream more often now. And if you really want, actually, I'm willing to like stream a game or something right now, because I do have another like half hour or so I can stream. I wouldn't assume you would want that, but if you want, I can do that. Flying Zucchini, Colonel Turtle, you two can jump on if you want, if we do that. And yeah, I guess that's okay. Here. Yeah, so I guess actually I doubt it's a worth it idea um to stream a game right now. I mean, Does anyone want me to stream like Bed Wars or something? Because I don't know. I'm not going to unless I specifically ask to. Oh, there's a vote. We shall see. I do not. Yes is the only vote right now. So, given that that's the only person actually watching right now, I'm just gonna end the poll. You'll join. Yeah, this poll needs to be closed. So I guess, I will stream some, Colonel Turtle want to join. Alright, I'm gonna get that open. There is no way. Oh my god, I did not realize I still had display capture off. Okay, that is a shame. Whatever, I'll be fine. And Minecraft does not want to connect. Okay, I'm gonna turn up my volume a bit, like a lot. I always play Minecraft. Join, no. This servers. Alright, and now, oh, yeah, by the way, if you're watching the stream, don't join the call. You'll hear double audio. Hold on, at Colonel Turtle. Hello? Want to join?
The game looks interesting. It's like trying to make the island float.
Yeah, it was an idea. I was actually debating whether or not to join the jam, and I didn't want to do it unless I was going to, unless I knew. Oh god, I'm so laggy right now. This room is. I was so laggy earlier that the stream was actually disconnecting repeatedly, and it ended up turning itself off. Like the stream ended itself because of lag. So, yeah, it's probably not a good idea for me to play a game right now because of that. But anyway, I had the idea. The idea is literally the only thing that convinced me to participate in the jam, because I waited a while after I wanted to start the stream to actually start it, because I was waiting for people to come online, and nobody was online. And the only reason I didn't just give up then and there was the fact that I wanted to be able to make that idea. Oh, come on. Okay, I suck. Tell me when you're online.
Me.
Oh, you're online? Okay.
Minecraft can be so fast with my new computer.
Whereas I'm at like 5 frames per second.
Are you streaming to anybody?
I believe so, because we got a vote on the poll, which means that somebody has to be watching.
I mean, can I hear me?
I mean, I think how OBS works is that it captures all your system audio. So,
yeah.
It would be a yes, I assume. I can check the chat in a second and just see.
Alright, I won't get you banned.
No, I'm dead. Okay, yeah.
You're part of me.
You're in my party. I'm just in the middle of a game, and I'm about to lose the game because... Seriously, Wood? What is with this guy? I just want you to die. Okay, that failed. Okay, I'm gonna... The game's over, effectively. Yeah, there's... Whatever. Just... I think I'm streaming to someone, but I can't guarantee it. Alright, it's game over for me. Yeah, there's no chance I'm gonna survive for another second or two, so I'm just gonna try to knock this guy into the void before I die.
Yes, Mom.
Yeah, so that's that. That did not work as expected. Okay, yeah. Slash leave. We will try doubles. And two, one.
Alright, so if I listen to music, they won't hear that, right?
They will because they. Wait, no. Actually, if you listen to music, it depends. Everything that goes onto the Discord call will be heard. All right. Anything that.
Alright, I won't play music in the Discord.
The general how it works is if I can hear it, they can hear. Oh, we're getting rushed. We're getting rushed. Like they're attacking. Nope, it's over. Our bet is as good as gone right now.
Wombo combo. Goodbye.
Okay.
Alright, another one. There's one on top of the base.
Oh shoot, I'm getting killed.
Come here. Alright.
Wait, what? Oh, are you dead?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna attack them and die in the process because I mean, if you're dead, I might as well be dead.
Oh yeah. He's running. Bonk.
Nope, I'm dead. Yeah.
Let's try some Sky Wars. I have like a 4-win streak right now.
I'm not as good at Skywars as I am at Bed Wars because my strong suit is bridging. I'm not as good at PvP as I am at bridging, and in Skywars, bridging is less necessary. So I mean, I guess we can switch off at some point.
I mean, you don't even need to be good at PvP to be good at Sky Wars. You just gotta have like half a brain cell, and you're already at a very big advantage.
True, but still, most of the people are really not all, most of the people, but it's really hard to win unless you're quite good at PvP. I'm gonna go to the Diamond Island. I am so laggy right now. There's no chance I don't fail my bridge first block. Oh yeah, I told you I would. See,
Alright.
I can moonwalk bridge for short periods, but not for extended amounts of time.
Hey, sir!
Especially when I'm on this FPS, I've got no chance.
Beat him up!
Oh well, no, he's on 0 hearts. Okay, he's dead, and they have endstone, so I'm not gonna attack them yet. I just realized this is all going to be in the recorded stream. People are just gonna see at the end that suddenly I'm gonna get a trap. That suddenly we just switch over to playing a game, and it's an entirely different stream. Okay.
Yes.
Nice kill.
Alright, I got a pickaxe. Okay, you're gonna absolutely bait them.
No! I almost landed that. That guy knocked me into the void.
Bro, these people are such sweats.
Okay, the bridge was almost, was basically entirely...
I will put this pickaxe
Oh,
through your
shoot.
teeth.
Shoot.
I put that pickaxe through his teeth.
Could you kill that guy, please?
Bonk. Block it.
Okay,
Where'd he go?
job. I think he's... Yeah, you killed him.
Oh.
You got him to die. Which is generally your goal in a game like this. Okay, could you beat that guy up?
Alright.
Right.
No, I can't, because I was already at 2 HP. Is he beating you up? Yes.
No, he did not get a single hit in, actually.
Goodbye, sir.
He's just dead. Oh wait, did our
Oh, I got fireballed.
Oh shoot. Hold on, I'm gonna get armor real quick.
Hold on. Okay, I literally just need blocks. Bonk.
Okay.
Bonk. I can't. Okay, we're not gonna talk about that.
Okay, that guy's in the void. Next guy. Yes! Okay, I got them. I got them both.
Do you have a
I
pickaxe?
No, I fell into the void with 4 diamonds. I accidentally pressed W and I fell into the void with sharpness in the bag. Okay, I think they're attacking again. Yep, they are. Actually, I think we might have scared them away.
No, we haven't scared them away. Pink's just here.
Yeah, that's
Come here, sir.
that's not good. So if Pink is over here now, that means that Pink is probably pretty good. Okay, hold on.
No, it just means they're sending players.
I'm gonna just get up here and attack this guy.
Yeah, beat him up. Okay, run. They're both in the void.
Yep. Wait, actually, I'm gonna come back to base and get us protection. I don't have a pickaxe.
Oh, there's
anyway.
red. There's red.
Oh shoot, I'm getting attacked. I just block. Okay.
Yes.
Block clutched. I cannot believe I did that. I rarely am able to, but oh my god, I am shaking. And it's not from fear or anything. It's actually just from the fact that I'm really cold right now. I have a fan blowing like directly in my face, and the air conditioning is on, and it's. I don't know if you can. Okay, red and pink have now come to the side of the map. Okay, they're attacking. They're attacking Aqua. Let's attack. Let's also attack Aqua. That is my.
Thanks for you for the bed.
No, I'm dead already. I got knocked into the bed, into the void. Kill them. Get a final kill on them. Boom. Okay, one of them is dead. Okay, that team is eliminated. Good job. Very, very, very good job.
I got 3 diamonds. What do I buy?
Have you thought of the fact that armor is the only wait, I have 1 diamond, so we can get if you'll give it to me, I can get sharpness. Oh shoot, red is targeting us, I think now.
Come here, sir.
Yeah, like red said they would target us.
Oh, what?
What is invisible?
That sounds. Alright.
I literally. Oh my god. How am I alive? Okay.
Auto clicker. GTA owner auto clicker confirmed. You won't last like another 30 seconds.
You're right. I never last another 30 seconds. Except for when it's the beginning of the game. And even then, half of the time I don't.
Oh yeah, they're both rushing you. With enchanted armor.
I'll be fine. I have a genius strategy that will fail and has never worked well for me.
Alright. Alright.
I thought
PvP.
I thought they were coming from pink. I thought they were coming from. Oh wait, that was the last team. We spent literally the entire game fighting Aqua. Like the entire game, we were fighting Aqua.
So my new computer is gonna be able to stream really well. So like if we want to do like Bed Wars streams together, I can stream it.
Speaking of which, I'm going to have to stop and like after this game, probably.
Yeah.
The stream and the poor connection here are killing me. Okay, I just jumped into the void. I literally jumped into the void. By the way,
After you stop streaming, can we still play?
Pink, no, that's why I have to go because I can't do it. Pink is, I believe, slow bridging, rushing us. It's sort of sad, to be honest. Here, I can bridge if you want.
Move. We need to go up a block higher.
Oh, fine. Okay, I'm gonna try and fail at my moonwalk. Oh my god, I did a 3-block one. My best is there was one time that I was on a Bed Wars 4v4 map and I made it to emeralds. Moonwalking. I don't think I've ever done better than that.
Alright, get wool. They got TNT.
Don't worry,
They have TNT. Alright. I'm just better. Hey, I know something they don't, okay?
What? They're TNT jumping.
There, sir.
They were not very good. Thief.
I mean, they also have like 45 bajillion ping. Alright, let's go bridge over.
Actually, they kindly did it for us. Oh, what the heck? Blue is here.
Oh, he's b-hopping, Bonk.
Behind you.
Beat him up, beat him up.
I was hurt. There was nothing I could do.
Bonk, part 2.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Don't leave the game.
Aqua is decent. Okay, I just watched them absolutely like smash someone. Like they just demolished this guy. And they are coming in your direction.
Where?
Wait, no, they're not. They're coming towards blue's base, but not yours. Speaking of which, 2 blue people are on green.
Bonk. This is the end.
No. Okay. We'll do one more game.
So, yeah, because I gotta go eat.
This map is really.
We should have a meeting just for fun, because like meetings are fun.
I'll talk about this after the stream. This
Good.
map is a good map that's overplayed, but Lighthouse is a not that good map that's overplayed. Lighthouse isn't.
I love Lighthouse.
Lighthouse, the actual map isn't bad, but it has a slow forward, and the combination of a slow forward and a not that short rush distance just makes for an annoying experience.
Alright, FOV's on Quake Pro, because I am a pro gamer.
Prove it. Win. Oh, come on. I am so terrible. Normally I can make it all the way on that. But I would have made it farther if I weren't streaming, but obviously I'm not gonna guarantee it.
Yes. Blame it on the screen. Alright, come here, sir.
To be fair,
Keep it hot like...
streams do make devices a lot laggier, and if you ask the stream viewers, you'll know.
No, I think it's just a skill issue.
If you ask the viewers,
It's just a
know
skill issue.
that it did lag enough
Bonk.
to disconnect last
Where
time.
Okay, it's got double teamed by 2 guys.
Off the edge. I said off the edge. Okay, that guy's dead, but I am also dead.
My good sir, come here.
Right, by that.
Is it worth it? Oh, he's breaching toward their base.
Don't worry, it's to be expected.
Thank you.
Yeah, if there's any chance you could get a fireball once you inevitably.
Oh yeah, he's going to our base.
Don't worry. What will happen? Oh, so what will happen is he'll go under me. I'll jump down, fail to hit him off, and he will destroy our bed. Okay, I'm just gonna run in and knock him off the edge. Okay, he's got the bed. Nope, I'm fighting him, but he has better weapon. He's dead. And we have protection.
Go to the bed.
We also do have a bed. I got him just in time. By the way, I think there might be another team coming in our
Oh yeah,
direction.
yellow.
Oh yeah, at least one of them is MVP++. And they are
Oh
coming
yeah,
towards the base.
yellow's absolutely rolling us.
Into the void. That did not work. They did not go into the void, and I did go into the void.
I am a PvP master. Oh yes, they're fighting at our base.
Oh wait, no, blue's getting our base. And I'm being absolutely brutalized.
Denied.
Thank you for the aid. It was much appreciated, I guess. I would like that gold, please.
Oh.
What?
Yeah, I got it, yeah.
Okay. I'll win the game teamateless and bedless.
I also fell off the void.
Okay.
See ya.
Bye. That was nowhere near what I intended to do. Nope, game over. Game over. Yeah, so I'm going to end the stream now because it took a very bad turn at the very end of the stream. So yeah, thank you for watching. You can play the game. I sent a link in the Discord server, and bye.